Soyez les bienvenus en classe A1.2 de l'Institut d'études de la langue française. Je m'appelle Steven. Et dans cette leçon, nous allons apprendre l'interrogation. L'interrogation. Nous allons aussi apprendre comment apprécier. Appréciation. So at the end of this class, you'll be able to ask questions, to interrogate. L'interrogation. L'interrogation. When you want to make interrogations, basically you want to ask questions. So there are diversities of ways. There's a diverse way to ask questions in French language. Number one, we have que. We have quoi. We have qu'est-ce que. Que, quoi, qu'est-ce que. Used in different forms, but they will mean to arrive at the same question, the same thing. Now let's look at this. Que voulez-vous? Vouler is from the verb vouloir. Vouloir, to want. To want. So when I say que voulez-vous, it is what do you want? What do you want? Que voulez-vous? When you use the que to ask a question, it means what? What? But the moment you use que, the rule says that you inverse the pronoun. You inverse the verb. We have always known vous voulez. So you now bring the verb before the pronoun. Regardez. Que vous voulez? Que voulez-vous? Excusez. Que voulez-vous? Que voulez-vous? So the moment you bring the verb before the pronoun, there's an hyphen. So we have what do you want? What do you want? Que voulez-vous? We also have quoi. So to use quoi, we now have vous voulez quoi? Vous voulez quoi? What do you want? Or you want what? You want what? The quoi here is still what? So the quoi comes at the end of the sentence. So when the quoi comes at the end of the sentence, we have the pronoun and the verb. So we have pronoun plus verb plus what? Here we have what, we have verb and pronoun with hyphen. So vous voulez quoi is you want what or what do you want? It gives the same sense. So and finally we also have qu'est-ce que. Qu'est-ce que that I've always known. Qu'est-ce que vous voulez? Qu'est-ce que vous voulez? What is it that you want? Qu'est-ce que vous voulez? What do you want? Qu'est-ce que vous voulez is the general form of asking what do you want? So when we use qu'est-ce que, we don't say voulez-vous. We don't say qu'est-ce que voulez-vous. We say qu'est-ce que vous voulez. Qu'est-ce que vous voulez? What do you want? So here it is still what? What do you want? Qu'est-ce que vous voulez? So these are the three basic forms or the three basic ways to ask questions, to interrogate in French language. We have the use of que, quoi, and qu'est-ce que. When you use que, then you put the verb and the subject with an hyphen. When you use quoi stays at the end of the sentence. You have vous, voulez, that is the noun, that is the pronoun, the verb, and the what. Then here, qu'est-ce que vous voulez? What is it that you want? Now look at another way to ask questions. On peut poser une question. On peut poser une question. You can ask a question how. The first way to ask a question Number one, par l'intonation. Par l'intonation. By intonation. You can ask the question by intonation. Regardez. Tu vas à l'école demain. Tu vas à l'école demain. Imagine there was no question mark here. I would just say, tu vas à l'école demain. That would have been declarative. Tu vas à l'école demain. That would have just been a declarative sentence that you are going to school tomorrow. But the moment you want to make it a question, you raise the pitch of your voice. Intonation. Then it becomes, tu vas à l'école demain. Tu vas à l'école demain. You are going to school tomorrow. Are you going to school tomorrow? Another way to ask question, avec la forme est-ce que. Avec la forme est-ce que. Est-ce que tu vas à l'école demain? Est-ce que tu vas à l'école demain? Is it that you are going to school tomorrow? Est-ce que tu vas à l'école demain? Is it that you are going to school tomorrow? That is, are you going to school tomorrow? Est-ce que. Finally, you also have the inversion of the subject pronoun par l'inversion du pronom sujet. Par l'inversion du pronom sujet. By the inversion of the subject pronoun. Here we have tu vas à l'école demain. So the way to invert, we now have the verb coming first, an hyphen, then the pronoun. So that we have vas-tu. Vas-tu à l'école demain? Vas-tu à l'école demain? So if you notice, we have changed the position of the verb and pronoun. The verb has come first, then the pronoun second. Then we have an hyphen to show the inversion. Vas-tu à l'école demain? Now here, let us do a simple exercise on est-ce que and inversion du sujet. Posez les questions suivantes en utilisant est-ce que et l'inversion du sujet. Ask the following questions using est-ce que and inversion of subject. A. Tu connais la chanson? The question is tu connais la chanson? Do you know the song? Do you know the song? If you are using the form est-ce que, what do we do? Est-ce que tu connais la chanson? It becomes est-ce que tu connais la chanson? Est-ce que tu connais la chanson? So that's one question. Do you know the song? Do you know the song? Is it that you know the song? Est-ce que, that is the form est-ce que. If we are using the other form, inversion of subject, inversion de sujet. Inversion de sujet. What are we going to have? It becomes what? We say the verb comes first before the pronoun. This is to connect. Now becomes connais-tu la chanson? Connais-tu la chanson? Connais-tu la chanson? Do you know the song? So here we have used est-ce que. Est-ce que. And then here we have done inversion. Inversion of subject of the subject pronoun. Those are the two basic forms. For the other one, vous avez lu le livre? Vous avez lu le livre? Have you read the book? Vous avez lu le livre? We have est-ce que vous avez lu le livre? Have you read the book? Don't forget, lu is the past participle, I mean the past tense. Participe passé of lire. Lire, to read. And when you express past tense, you use avoir plus participe passé. Vous avez lu, have you read? So, est-ce que vous avez lu le livre? Have you read the book? We're asking by the inversion. We have used est-ce que here. We're now doing inversion. We have Avez-vous. Don't forget. The verb comes before the pronoun. Avez-vous. It's an iPhone. Avez-vous lu le livre? Avez-vous lu le livre? Have you read the book? An inversion, an iPhone, le livre. So those are the two basic ways to ask questions. With this, we come to the end of the class on how to interrogate. How to interrogate. Que, quoi, qu'est-ce que, etc. Those are the basic ways to ask questions. Merci beaucoup. I'll join you in the next class. Au revoir.